In this video, you're going to learn setters and getters in ES6. Setters and getters are used to either set the value of a certain property or retrieve it. Now in ES5, you had a certain form of setters and getters, but the syntax in ES6 is a lot simpler. So we're not going to cover the syntax in ES5, we'll only focus on the syntax in ES6. So let's create an example. So let's start with a setter. So the syntax is easy, so you use the set keyword followed by the name of the setter. So you're going to use the same name as the property name. Now later on, if you write something like this, so an instance of the class dot the setter, then you set it to something like 30, then this will automatically call the set method. All right, so calling .warranty will call the method warranty. All right, so we can prove that by adding a console.log there saying that the warranty has been set to something. So warranty set to X, for example. And then we can set the warranty to X. So this dot warranty equals X. Now, if you try this like that, you're going to get an error. Okay, so the reason why is because the maximum call stack size has been exceeded. So you can see that this is very similar to a loop or an infinite loop. The reason why you get that loop is because when you run this method, you call this dot warranty, you set it to something, and this will call the set method, because we said that if you call dot warranty equals something, you call in the set method. So this will call the set method again, and then you go inside, and then this dot warranty calls the set method, and you go back up again, and the loop is infinite. Now we need a way to fix this. So to fix that, instead of calling this dot warranty, we need to change this syntax. So instead of dot warranty, we need something else. So what we're going to do, we will just change the name of the property warranty. So instead of warranty, we're going to have underscore warranty. And we're going to change this everywhere. All right. So now if you try this, it works this time. And when you call that, it's called the set method, and you get warranty set to 30. Right, and this time it's working perfectly. Now let's move to the get method or the getter. So it's going to be very similar to the set method. So instead of sets, we're going to use get. No property needed, or no argument needed, and let's just log get warranty called, and it's just going to return this dot warranty. So now let's log my phone 6 dot warranty, and you get 30, and you can see that the get method has been called. All right, so this one calls the setter, and this one calls the getter. Now let's do something interesting. So let's add another property to the class. Let's call it log. And let's say that whenever you set something to the object, you just log that change. So instead of logging warranty set to X, we will just take this and add it to the log array, like this. So now if you change the warranty to 30, and then you change it to 40, and then back to 30, for example, at the end, if you log myphone 6.log, then you get the full log of all the settings. So you set it to 30, then you set it to 40, then you set it to 30. So that's an interesting example showing how the set method can be used. Alright, so hopefully this gave you a good understanding of setters and getters in ES6.